Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create a list on your Google Keep. So here, if you not familiar with the Google Keep, this is the looks of the Google Keep application. So this is one of the Google product that you can use here. It will be connected into your Google Drive too, as long as you logged in with the same account with your Google Drive. So here, to create a list on this Google Keep, you just need to open the application and just go click this plus button. And after that, you just need to add the titles here. For example, to-do list, Monday. You can add the date, and after that you just need to jump into the next, which is in the note part. And then in this note part, you just need to go click this plus button, and in this plus button you just need to go click tick boxes. In this tick boxes, you just need to go click this part and start typing what things that or what activities that you need to do for the next. For example, breakfast. To add the next tick boxes, you just need to simply click enter, and they will be automatically have the boxes here. And now you just need to go click another thing, which is like school. Go click add. You just need to go click with lunch, and so on and so on. And whenever you already finish one task, you just need to go click these boxes, and those will be like moved into the downside, mean that you already complete these activities. So you just need 3 activities left that you need to finish in a day. So that's the way how to create a list on a Google Keep application. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.